interactive workshop. Thank you so much, Charlie, for coming to Bowen. All our participants really enjoyed their time. We had the most amazing fun disco last night. The workshop itself, we have so many upcoming DJs in Bowen, and we can't wait for you to come back again. And
it was a really amazing workshop with DJ Charlie Templar. He had a really amazing story to tell about resilience and mentorships, and it's amazing to hear his journey and where he's been and what he's doing now. It was good for our little community to see these young fellas get to do something a little bit different, play around the DJ sets and all that and learn something new. So that was great.
Event. It was really good for the community, involving everyone and being able to do something that not many people would even really think about doing.
I think the DJ workshop went amazing and it was pretty cool.
I think the DJ workshop was very motivating for the young ones. They learnt a lot.
Thank you for coming to Bowen, Charlie, and teaching everyone how to be a DJ. Everyone had a heap of fun, and we loved the disco last night. Thank you.